The liberty make me ball. Sometime I wish you fuck. Many regrets. Dirty blood clot Babylon.
Wagwan my viewers, welcome to my channel. So no see him there. Prison life I make him ball. Many regrets. Plus, Jordan go stray and go lose him life over front. And Teacha backs up Stvdent. So no drop some like on the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. So when me drop new vids, my people, pre this.
Yes, lad. Mvrda. I tell you, make you fix up it as man a drop off the rascal. But may I tell you, this is the life. Now, liar, bumbuck, lad, this is the life. I'm a camera, you know. Don't know my camera and can't turn it around back. I'm just screen if it's on bumbuck, lad, you know. Yeah. Famous Junior Reid at the prison time. In a once was Queen prison, now King prison. Yeah man, sentence me a run. Sentence me a run, yeah? Don't feel like prisoner obey the rules. The liberty make me ball. Sometime I wish you fuck. Many regrets. Dirty blood clot Babylon. Injustice. Injustice.
Who no see him them viewers, the famous Junior Reid. So my people, make we talk about that one, you know. And before me jump in at the reasoning, you know, me would like for ask him how much I'm friend them member him. The Dan or the general when him did I run out for send nothing come give him. The woman them with the damn foot when him there road. Member him, them no move on and gone there with other man and breed for other man. My people, me said that for said this. Youths, when you no get to yourself mix up in a certain things and can rub a long stretch, nobody no member uno, more than uno family alone. The life uno did have a road, uno not have that again. Next man have uno woman, uno pitney, they've not got rate uno again. A stepfather them start rate. So as what I say my people, see him there, Junior Reid, say him a rub a sentence, and him dead say talk say him have many regrets. Enough man dey on cell block right now a shed tears like baby. Whole heap of regrets. Them if them fi talk about it, story long from now till next year, me I tell you no more people. So as what I say, only who feels it knows it, you know, my people. And you see what we see with Boya, it look like the youth them have to go through the struggle, go through the pain, take a 9 ball in a them chest, or go rub some time on cell block for them realize say certain things no make no sense, Boya. So see him them people, regrets, bag of things, how much people no remember him, cause when I say, nobody nah no time for you go to prison every week or every month go look on nobody when elevate in a life. So as I say, get a youth, live and learn. You see me? So no walk with me no more people. Move on to our next topic, you know. Where we see 20-year-old Jordan lose fame life over front. Half him go take up for himself. Him live we a St. Mary, but him gone a St. and gone link woman. My people, the way that story a look, you know. The girl they never ever keep it real with Jordan, you know. And that's the thing there, you know, cause all you for left from St. Mary. So you go link your girl. Then your girl house. A man and him friend walk in a house, come put 9 ball in your chest and in your head and walk out back. So who him? A program run? I'm girlfriend set him up? So as I say my people, that situation here, sticky. And the youth lose him life away, me I tell you no. When you hear that, you never know. That's why I say enough of you youth out there where a run down woman And anyway, on planet Earth, ya woman say them down and run go there like una nah no sense. See it ya? Flat pan face settings, me I tell you no more people. All because him left from female and say him a go look for woman. And when him go look for woman, him no know if that woman they have an ex mate in a fair community. Him no know if that brother ya did there with that girl and him coulda hear say Jordan they run at the yard and you don't know bad man thing go. Them a walk with them emotion pan them chest and them ego pan them forehead, so wanna think I go on. Eh? So as I say my people. Sad but you them now live by example. Don't take up on yourself and talk about now go we a woy go link no woman. Woman fear come out no foot. I want to no youth. So as I say, Jordan lose fame life my people in the worst way. All because him take up himself. Enough people that say a stray him go stray. And see it there. Put a 9 ball in him chest and call it a day. So here what my people, me go make you check out that video where a teacher box up a student pre this. See it, them viewers, another video release again with teacher and student, but this time is a teacher box up a student. My people, if you don't want to see the full video, just link me on IG. My viewers, it's set away boy, and a full time now, the teacher them and the student them, can live good, Cause when I say, little girl say she want to leave the classroom. Teacher asks her where she go cause I teach him a teach. Or if you just get up and say you want to leave. Well, it turn left, me I tell you no. Them start drape them one another. Till teacher drop little girl a ground, be a box in her face and all type of thing. My people, this thing look good, When you hear that a lot of people out there say teacher wrong, a lot of people out there say student wrong. But when me have to say, it no look good, me I tell you no. We need to put a full stop to all of this. When you hear that every other month, so every other week, every year, at this teacher and student. Now for remember, student go to school for learn. Teacher there for teach them. So as I say, full time now, this for stop. When you hear that, none of this we no want for see. Teacher and student a war, it no look good. I no think enough of them parent here go feel. When them see that video and see them daughter get boxed up by a male teacher. Think about that, my people. Set away boy, me I tell you no more viewers. Crime and violence, badness, even at the school them though. So here we wanna stay safe out there, Until next time. Wanna see me.
Argument done.